guys, welcome back to Robot and hope you are doing well and staying safe. FlySky, the world's pioneer in radio and smart control transmitter, has come up with its all-new transmitter, Paladin EV. In this video, we'll be looking at PL18 EV, which has two editions. First is the standard edition, and the second one is the flagship edition. So we'll be unboxing both of these, and then we'll be talking about its features. So stay tuned. So this is basically the box for Paladin 18 EV transmitter. So here we have a latch which will open up, and this box looks like this from the inside. So we have all this. Let's open this up. Here we have a quick start guide, and let's put aside this. You can see we have all these contents inside the box. I'll just put the box aside and keep the contents in front of you. So here are the things which we get inside the box. So these are some stickers which you can apply on the transmitter anywhere which you want. So here it is. We have a quick start guide, which is basically a manual to what you can do with this FlySky transmitter. We get this extra covers so you can apply here to protect the glass. So this is a touchscreen glass, I'll tell you. And we have a programming cable, so you can program this and also charge it. And then at the end we have, so this here is our receiver. Okay, so that's it. Let's start with the transmitter. First we need to switch off this SWA in order to make it work. Yeah, so now it's on. So basically you can see there's a menu here. So you can access this from here. You have all these different functions here: function assign, models, RX setup, etc, etc. So this basic FlySky transmitter has lots of features here. So you can see we have this joystick here. So this actually moves. Here you have this channel. Similarly here and here we have a channel. At the side you have this channel, which at this additional channel here. And then we have these knobs. So this basically looks cool. If you want a complete informative video regarding this transmitter, you can let us know in the comment section. So this controller is basically specially made for ground vehicles like tractors, bulldozer, tugboats, etc. So this new Paladin EV transmitter, it is a dual channel transmitter. As you can see, it has got a multi-dimensional joystick and a color changing lighting at the top, this one. And a special feature about this joystick is that it will give you rotation angle accuracy of 0.07 degrees, which is awesome. So there's a built-in dual antenna, hence you don't need to adjust the antenna angle manually. So these two antennas will cover a larger area themselves, and as you may know, signal stability of this controller is maintained by AFH DS3 protocol, which is a common standard if you have ever used FlySky protocol. So FHDS is a very good protocol, very reliable. The battery inside is a 4300 mAh large capacity built-in battery, and these supports like both wireless and USB charging. The Paladin EV also provide another feature where you can add two models and access their control using one simple switch. It has ports for direct communication with computer, emulator, FlySky assistant, games and firmware upgrade through a USB interface, which is here. And finally, it has a full color touchscreen display in English and Chinese. Next up is this flagship edition of Paladin EV18. So let's open it up. Honestly, by the looks of this box, it looks like it has come from a James Bond movie. Let's open this up. So let's open this up. You have the secure codes here, which also you can apply on the box. Now what I need to do is I just need to put it here. This opened up, and look at it. Wow, that's really amazing. A splendid job by Team FlySky here for the packaging. Now I'll just remove this box and we'll just take a look at the components inside. So basically, like the previous one, we have this quick start guide, this USB cable, the sticker pack of course. So I'll just keep this aside. Aside from that, we have two receivers here. So that's awesome. two receivers to get, so you can use if one is lost anywhere. This could be of a major help. And then we have the transmitter itself here, so I'll just keep it aside for a moment here. And with that, we also get this transmitter tray and this hanger. Let's just open it up, and now look at it again. It's classy, it's beautiful. I mean, look how beautiful it looks, right? I'll just put it aside. And you guys, let me know in the comment section if you want a complete assembly video, for the FlySky Paladin EV, and also if you like to have some, operating tutorial or something like that. If you want it, let us know. So guys, that's it for the video. If you like this complete unboxing of the standard and flagship edition of PL18 EV from FlySky, let us know in the comment section. If you want complete tutorial of how to operate this, again let us know in the comment section. For right now, I'll take your leave. Stay safe, stay tuned, and Turbo.